In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a map based on zip or postal codes in Tableau. This is a handy skill if you need to visualize geographic data quickly and efficiently. Let's dive right in, and before you know it, you'll have your map up and running. First, start by launching the Tableau application on your computer. If you're not already familiar with it, Tableau is a powerful tool for data visualization, and opening the app is as simple as clicking the icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder. Once you've opened Tableau, navigate to your worksheet. Think of this as your canvas where all the magic happens with your data. In your worksheet, begin by naming your first sheet. Let's call it size. This is important for organization and will help you keep track as your project becomes more complex. Next, you'll need to drag the country field to the detail area. This step is crucial because it lays the foundation for our geographic visualization. With country in the detail area, double-click on the postal code field. What this does is automatically plot points for each postal code on the map, bridging the information from your dataset to an informative visual representation. Now, let's add a layer of analysis by dragging profit to the size section on the marks card. This will adjust the size of the marks on your map based on the profit data, giving an immediate visual hierarchy of performance across different postal areas. Add another dimension to your visualization by dragging profit once more, this time to the color area. Colors can be incredibly impactful, making it easier to differentiate between high and low values at a glance. Next, look to the right side of your interface and you'll see the CM profit measure. You'll want to drag this down under the marks field. By doing this, you're fine-tuning how Tableau interprets and displays your data based on these aggregate calculations. Switch gears by opening a new sheet, and let's choose a descriptive name like Map Field. Again, start this sheet by dragging country to detail and double-clicking on postal code to plot those locations on the map. Immediately change your chart type to map from the drop-down in the upper right. This change turns your scatter plot into a geographical map. With a clearer view of your data on a map, bring the profit variable to bear on color. Once again, this helps visualize your financial data with more depth. Now drag the sum profit measure and tuck it under the marks field to keep everything in order. If you're interested in focusing on a particular area, drag state to the filters card, select your desired state, and click OK to apply this filter. This action lets you zoom in on the data that matters most for that location. Finally, remember, you're not restricted to the default visual settings. Feel free to change the color scheme to something that suits your needs or aesthetic preference. Customization can make a big difference in how your final map communicates its insights. That's it. In just a few steps, you've created a map in Tableau using zip codes and added rich layers of data, all customizable to show exactly what you need. Keep experimenting with these features to find new insights. Thank you for tuning in, and happy mapping.